MidStar Lab is an orthotic manufacturer. We got started back in the mid-'80s manufacturing foot orthotics. And really what we found with orthotics is that we could prevent amputations by about 80%. Once we started fitting our products ourselves, it actually changed the way we did manufacturing.
To make that foot orthotic, you have to start with a good image of the foot in order to end up with a good product. I can take a 3D image of the bottom side of that foot. It's 1/1000th of an inch on a grid. And then we have a couple different types of mills. So we can either make a positive model. So it's like we'll have the person's foot right there, or we can have a negative model. So they'll actually shape that foot orthotic with one of our carvers.
70% of our revenue comes from the VA. A lot of our veterans are homeless, and that's where they receive the majority of the health care is through the VA.
As we got out of the VAs and we were able to see kind of more of a diverse population, we realized we're a Native American woman-owned business. Why would we not also try to serve the Native American communities?
After my husband died, I took a step back of the company. I let a couple of people run it, and it just wasn't where I wanted it. I came back in, and the first people I called were MEP.
My name's Dave Stein. I'm a regional director for Kansas Manufacturing Solutions, which is part of the MEP National Network. MidStar Lab serves a really unique and interesting population. They're really mission focused. They needed people who were willing to come and subscribe to the MidStar Lab way of doing things.
They helped us with the processes. They worked with our staff. They got everything really streamlined on the flow of manufacturing.
We're touching the lives of others, and we need to be able to have the resources, the skills, the knowledge to do all of that.
It's really about sustainability, and we will continue to work with MEP.
There is a very important community of consumers for their products, not just everyday consumers, but people with significant health issues.
This is a legacy thing for us, for me and my children. It makes a difference in people's lives, and that's really been my personal passion, serving the underserved.